What's up, guys? Checking the gold market. So, gold reached 2000. So, if we check the weekly, all-time high was around almost 2100 here, 2070. Now we are stuck around somewhere around here, but overall trend here, this kind of bearish flag, if we so wanna draw one, whatever. The uptrend was there since 2018, something like this. So here, after we broke this consolidation, broke above and had this higher highs, higher lows. Here is the trend line somewhere along here, and now the move to the upside is coming, and we had similar moves back in 2008, something like this, and we moved all the way up to here. So our next target would be if we take this line here and quickly draw it here. We could potentially reach, let me quickly check the monthly. This would be above 2200. Whether that's the case or not, not clear yet, but again, there was the COVID crisis, which pushed gold higher, and now is the Russia-Ukraine crisis. So pretty much all the reasons for gold to go higher. So here the daily, quickly getting rid of these lines here. We had a breakout here somewhere. I think it was something like this, or maybe this one. A break above the 80, 70 zone. Here was the break, the retest, and now going higher. So now what could happen is a consolidation pattern here after we broke this one. So a new one could be formed right here. So this is where we want to trade now. So here again, here the daily, pretty bullish moves. So uptrend here, kind of a smaller breakout, small retest, went higher. Checking the 4-hour chart real quick. So here, kind of a trend line. Here was the 1920 support resistance line, here the 1950, and now 2000 something. So the trend remains bullish for now. Checking the smaller time frames. Let me quickly add the CCI. So here CCI looking bearish. So here a bit of a double top with a higher high, and here the divergence. So quickly checking the EMAs just to see where we are at. So so here still above the 20 EMA, so trend remains bullish. 100 EMA now here at the support line at around 1950. Here the highest point we broke above. Still not a sign to short. 30-minute chart pretty similar. 50-minute chart. So here what we want to see is, so basically we broke this line. Now what will happen is again a break to here the 100 EMA on the 50-minute chart. What could happen after that is a move again higher, and then we can look for shorts, or maybe we just see retest here or just go all the way lower. But for now, first target would be around here, 1970. Here we had a bit of a gap. This was the opening, I assume, today, or not. But what we clearly see now, so the gold market usually starts to move a little bit earlier before the market opens. So the market opens in 2 hours, which means gold should start moving in about 1 hour. And here, pretty red candlestick on the 5-minute chart. So what I want to do here is look for shorts. Here again on the 5-minute chart, smaller double top. If we zoom in, so here double top, and here this bearish divergence. On the CCI, broke here this line. Well, 5-minute chart depends if you're scalping or not. But the move now here, last time we saw this here, formed here kind of a consolidation. So looking for the same pattern here, and then to break. 1-minute chart quickly. So here is one being formed. Looks like we will break out here at some point and then go lower. Here on the 1-minute chart we can see the 200 EMA, suddenly the highest EMA. So this was today when the market opened. We went lower, here we went higher. Saw this bullish trend above the 200 EMA. And now breaking below the 200 EMA, which means the trend now is somewhere around here. So here is a bigger support resistance line. If we see a move to here around, which would be here a retest of the 200 EMA, this is where we can look for shorts on the 1-minute chart. Target could be either this one here, this support resistance line, or the next one. You can see gold is starting to drop now. Not quite sure if you can see a push to the upside. So here we are breaking this bearish flag, and looks like we will head lower. So here big red candlestick, getting rejected by the 20 EMA. So now here CCI pretty low, which could mean we will go jump back up, but market looks bearish for now.